Determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Drawing inspiration from the radiant sun, this league represents the burning desire of victory that lies within each athlete. This is SINAG Liga Asya, presented to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge. And this is our second game here in our day number 14, still inside to where it all began here in BREN, GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the Christmas capital of the Philippines for game number 2. As you can see here, JV Payuan, who scored 15 points and got 5 assists but lost to the Hustle Rising Suns, will try to bounce back against the Parañaque Pelicans headed by Angelo Obuyes, who scored 28 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists, and got 7 steals with the win against the Weed 1 Kapampangan. And that is our game at hand. It's going to be Parañaque Pelicans contra J Project Boomers. And isang magandang hapon to all SLA fans who are watching this live coverage of the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. And syempre, sino pa nga ba makakasama niyo? Walang iba kung hindi si Rowie Sacote and Enzo Galarosa. Enzo, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Magandang hapon sa'yo, Rowie, at magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga kasinag natin na nanonood. Get ready, SLA fans, kasi the dawn of the hottest basketball league will illuminate the entire world, di ba, Rowie? Not just in the Philippines, but also in Asia.
Yes, kasi script ko yun. Pero syempre, makakasama rin natin on the sidelines. Walang iba kung hindi si Sarah Turchman. Kamustahin naman natin si Sarah on the sidelines. So, Sarah, ano ang favorite mong Christmas song and sample naman dyan? Bawal tumanggi, ha?
Hello, Rowie and Enzo. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, mga kasinag Liga Asya. Wait lang, bago yon, Rowie and Enzo. Nabusog ba kayo sa pinadala kong chicken nuggets dyan?
Si Sarah pala nagpadala. No, sige, wag na kumanta, Sarah. Pero,
and also, abangan nyo ang aking mga upcoming reports later.
yes, so yun lang naman. Again, kami ang makakasama nyo during this game. Pero masusubaybayan nyo lang lahat yan by following our Facebook and Instagram, SINAG Liga Asya. Pati na rin, subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, SINAG Liga TV. Kasi live rin tayo sa Blast TV and Top Sports. And before that, Enzo, ano na nga bang updated team standings natin as of today?
Well, after yung win kanina, di ba, na Luwid 1 Kapampangan, it pushes them further above the standings dito nga at number 3. But Parañaque at the number 5 spot, still gunning for a twice to beat advantage. Samantala itong J Project Boomers at the second to the last spot at the 10th seed sila dito, looking to go further up, at ang hinahabol nga nila itong 8th seed, which is where Batang Lakan ng Bulacan is.
And that is why our game story between Parañaque Pelicans and J Project Boomers, stop the bleeding or go back to back.
Yes, because Parañaque is looking to build a winning run, while J Project is looking to put an end to this losing skid nga nila.
And before we start the game, let's turn over to Sarah Turchman for her pregame report for both teams. So Sarah, take it away.
And Enzo from Parañaque Pelicans head coach Cesar na sabi niya is still on recovery from his hospitalization. Pero kaya naman niya kahit papano and struggle lang sila sa kanilang mga players dahil habol pa sila Guerrero, Garcia, Agameni, Rivera, and Santos. Just play their game in tonight as a team. While on J Project assistant coach Troy, kulang sila sa players due to important matters, kagaya nila Marte, Javier, and Panelo. Usual rotations pa din and preparations and sunod sa system. Ingat sa fouls and give their all for this game. While on Luca Espinoso, just keep playing, give all what they have and take care of the ball. Coming up, let's now turn over to our arena announcer Ram Valid for our SINAG starters of the game, powered by Converge.
Good afternoon once again, SINAG fans. We're coming to you live at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 Cup, presented to you by Converge Fiber X. We're also live at YouTube channel, SINAG Liga ASYA TV, SINAG Liga ASYA FB page, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. This is our second game for the day 14 of the competition. It's the battle between J Project Boomers and Parañaque Pelicans. And now it's time to meet the protagonists first for your J Project Boomers. Point guard number 1, JB Payuan. Shooting guard number 12, CJ Dumalagan. Center number 17, JP Gonzalez. Small forward number 20, Eman Palconete. And power forward number 11, Luca Espinoso. Head coach for J Project Boomers is Michael Senabre. And now it's time to meet the starters for your Parañaque Pelicans. Point guard number 24, Angelo Obuyes. Shooting guard number 13, Justin Pelayo. Power forward number 8, Exudu Escalante. Also at forward number 14, Carl Leva. And center number 88, Jelly Dakala. Head coach for Parañaque Pelicans is Cesar Babaza. Game officials for this game, Erson Birds Izuga, Jong Banaya, and Ariel Bermeo. This is SINAG Liga ASYA.
This is our Converge 5x starters of the ballgame for Louis. For J Project Boomers, they will be starting with Payuan, Espinoso, Dumalagan, Gonzalez, and Falconete. While for Parañaque Pelicans, they will be starting with Escalante, Pelayo, Leiva, Obuyes, and Dancalan. And again, SLA fans, this is day number 14. Second game for today. It's gonna be between J Project Boomers kontra Parañaque Pelicans. Kami ang makakasama nyo, Rowy Sacote, Enzo Galarosa, and ang napakagandang star at Turgeman dahil grabe. Binigyan niya tayo ng
panuggets
chicken. May panuggets, chicken
Sarap.
nuggets tayo ngayon dito. Ang gusto ko lang masabi, kulang eh. Kulang.
Nagreklamo ka
Pero,
pa.
okay, kidding aside, eto, for Parañaque Pelicans, they are sitting on the number 5 seed. Right now with a 3-3 record. While for J Project Boomers, the second to the last, number 10 seed, 1 out of 5.
Oh, yes, but kita mo, Justin Pelayo, dire-diretso after missing a baseline jumper earlier, inatake agad niya. This athletic kid, di ba? How small he is, yet very, very athletic. Look at how he got up right here, oh.
And hindi lang yun, si Justin Pelayo, kitang-kita natin during the warm-ups. Grabe dumakdak yung batang yan. Parang mas matangkad pa tayo dyan.
There are a couple of games nga eh. Pampanga Delta game, they tried to do an alley-oop. Gugulatin nila sana yung Pampanga Delta. Na si Jerry Rivera ang babato. But yun nga, speaking of Jerry Rivera and RJ Guerrero are not with Parañaque right now. So, malaking bagay yun na nawala yung two players mo. 2 out of the 3-headed monster, which is Rivera, Obuyes, and si Guerrero are not with the team right now. But, para naman dito sa side ng J Project Boomers, wala yung John Javier, but good thing for them, itong si Air Payuan is on the team after an injury scare last game. At the same time, CJ Dumalagan is back with the team after a long absence.
Yes, and dahil nga doon, and eto pa Enzo for both teams, kitang-kita natin. 7 players lang ang naglalaro dito for Parañaque Pelicans.
7-on-7, no?
And 7 players for J Project Boomers din. And
I think, sorry, 6 lang pala for J Project.
6 lang, yes. 6 lang
Oo.
for J Project Boomers. So, 7. May nakita ko.
Okay. Sabi sa'yo, merong isa pa eh.
So, 7 versus 7 ang laro natin ngayon. And look at that, Angelo Ubuyes getting that N1 play.
And I expect this kid, Angelo Ubuyes, to dominate the entire game. Dahil nga, this is his game eh. He has already played on a level higher and kitang-kita naman natin, di ba? Look at that finish through the contact.
Yes, for Angelo Ubuyes. And 6 in that N1 play. So last game, Angelo Ubuyes played 33 minutes. Grabe, 7 minutes lang pahinga niya. Scored 28 points, got 7 steals, 6 assists, and 8 rebounds. What a performance for Angelo Ubuyes against their win against Louis Juan Kapampangan, ha?
Diba? And yun yung history-making game nilang tatlo ni Jerry Rivera at saka ni RJ Guerrero, na all 3 players scored over 20 points for the first time in SINAG Liga Asya history. So, you know, this team, Parañaque Pelicans, this is a team that you can't sleep on despite of the fact na kulang-kulang sila. And actually, yung game na yun, wala nga si Coach Cesar babasa ng game na yun eh.
Oo.
And it's good to see Coach Cesar on the bench right now for Parañaque healthy kasi that game against Duwid 1, wala si Coach Cesar, may sakit. Who took over was his brother, diba? As acting assistant coach. So, these are the things that uncontrollable naman talaga, but you just continue to play really well. You continue playing, play hard. Yung sinasabi natin kanina sa Batang Lakan, di ba? But look at that, parang alam mo, hindi na-injure last game eh.
JV Payuan from downtown again last game. Na-injured siya eh.
Yes.
And right now, buti naman, we're happy to see him back here for J Project Boomers. And yung performance niya last game, imagine mo 15 points, 5 assists, and 2 rebounds for a guard.
Yes. And nakikita natin dun sa game na yun, yung concern ng lahat ng tao is, welcome back, CJ Dumalagan.
So back-to-back threes here for J Project Boomers.
A 1-point lead being protected right here by the Boomers, 8-7.
So, what a great matchup. 7 players for both teams. You know, parang nagkataon lang.
Oo. But I think the advantage goes to dito sa Parañaque Pelicans kasi they have Ubuyes but at the same time they also have bigs. Dito naman sa J Project
yes.
Boomers kasi si Lucas Pinoso lang ang big man nila. But he plays outside.
Yes.
Diba? He's a stretch big man. He's not really a big man
Inside
na
paint na
paint
type of big
presence,
man.
diba? So that's why, kita mo, look at Pelayo right
Look
there.
at that athleticism soaring high to get that one in. All hands up in the air to si Gianluca Spinoso pero parang wala lang kay Pelayo.
Gugulatin kaya tayo ni Pelayo, kagaya kanina ginawa ni Darrell Garcia.
Let's see.
Diba?
Let's see,
Kanina
yun
Darrell
ang-
Garcia.
Yun ang abangan natin ngayon as Angelo Ubuyes has the ball. Angelo dribbling.
Look at the leadership of Ubuyes. Inaantay niya muna lahat ng kakampi niya bumaba and get to their spot. Sinasabihan niya saan dapat sila pumunta.
And yun nga, look at that. Pelayo with the fake, Pelayo with the take, and back-to-back shots here for Justine Pelayo.
He's heating up dito. He's actually carrying itong Parañaque Pelicans dito. Eh, parang Pelican talaga eh. Parang si Zion lang, di ba?
Oo. Yung laki lang katawan na lang kailangan niyang i-develop. No?
Pero yung leaping ability, di ba?
Andun eh.
Andun eh. Look at that rebound!
And look at that save by Justine Pelayo.
Yun nga na, sumabit pa kanya dun sa kable.
Oh.
But he looks okay.
Okay lang daw si Pelayo.
Oo.
Ayan, pinagpag niya lang.
Tibay na bata yung Pelayo na yun.
Grabe. No? Ito, substitutions for both teams. The Parañaque Pelicans with a 2-man substitution and papasok naman dito for Parañaque Pelicans. Or for J Project Boomers, si Christian Rios.
Yes. He also played well, Like past couple of games for J Project. He has played 2 games, but you know, key addition yan para sa J Project Boomers is, look at that. The guards nitong Parañaque Pelicans are trying to out-jump, out-hustle Lucas Pinoso. Pelayo tried to tip it back. He missed. Namintis niya. But Ubuyes also tried to tip it back. And now he's going to the free throw line for 2 free throws. And Angelo Ubuyes, yung experience na itong bata na to at 19 years old, as we can see Coach Cesar babasa on your screens. Welcome back, Coach Cesar, and we're glad that you're, wala na yung sakit niya as well. But Angelo Buyes, experience nito for a 19-year-old, one of the youngest players to play at the pro level. Kasama, kaya nga familiar sa some guys like Kevin Santos, kasi kasabayan niya yun. Nag-pro sila to a special gap license para makapaglaro ng pro, which allows mga high school players a certain leniency na makapaglaro ng pro, to turn pro. At pwede pa rin nilang makuha yung amateur status. Kasi may iba, nagpo-pro level na, disqualified nila sa for all amateur statuses. Kagaya dito, hindi na sila pwede maglaro sa Born 2001 Cup. At the same time, hindi na sila pwede maglaro for college. But with that special gap license kasi, pwede ka, you're still eligible to play sa amateur level. That's what Angelo Buyes did. And actually, his teammate, Ronel Guerrero, did also. They played for different teams.
And that's an advantage if you played for in the pro levels na, and then you're gonna go one step down. You're already one step up, eh. And if you're gonna go to a lower year level rather, mas yung experience mo will be, you have an advantage already.
And yung head coach niya dun sa pro level is no joke. It's the great Coach Jerry Codinera. Diba? So, a defensive-minded player, napaka-utak at ang dami ng eskwelahan na pinag-coach ni Coach Jerry. Diba? Just like kay Ronel Guerrero. Actually, part ng coaching staff niya sa Pro League was Coach Cesar Babasa when he played at the Pro. So, magkakilala talaga sila ni Coach Cesar talking about Ronel Guerrero. Guys like that, Buyes, Guerrero, Kevin Santos, diba? Kevin Santos was teammates with Balti pa. Yes, with Baltazar.
And as you can see there, that's our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge FiberX. Doble na, di noble pa. What a great pass from Angelo Obuyes. And yeah, may timeout break tayo dito. Our score 15-12 with 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Welcome back, SLA fans, and ito ang player to watch natin. Speaking of, we just talked about it, Angelo Buyes.
28 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists, 7 steals, an efficient 10 out of 17 from the field, 58%. All-around performance. Akala ko, actually, I was watching for a quadruple double galing sa kanya that
Konti
game.
na lang eh.
Oo. 2 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 more steals, diba?
Sayang kung siguro nag-overtime yun, baka. Imposible hindi.
Hindi ka pa pala nag-overtime dito, no?
Oo.
Ako pa lang eh.
Pero naka-express naman ako ng overtime.
of course.
Before. Pero yun
Sa
nga,
work mo.
si
Napaisip
yung
siya.
kasama niya ko si Roman.
Okay, I guess.
Pero eto, and one play here for Gianluca Spinoso.
Kala ko ba wala na dito Slovenia?
Ha?
Wala na dito Slovenia? Ba't nandito pa si Luka?
Si Luka nandito no? Pero that is our grab of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Sun Sport, the official basketball of SINAG Liga Asya, your high-quality sports gear. And eto si Gianluca Spinoso, for those who don't know, is a player all the way from Italy.
Ang hirap siguro. Yan ang classification stage, no?
Oo.
Luka pangalan. There might be a chance na idol niya si Luka Doncic, diba? We might not know.
Or baka yung parents niya.
Oo,
pero wala, hindi pa
Hindi naman ako panahon.
sobrang bata pa ni Luka
Oo.
Hindi pa siya kilala dito. And that's a 3-point shot for Paranaque Pelicans.
Bawi.
Oh, what a strong
Grabe.
rebound. Look at that leaping ability of Justin Pelayo.
You know who Justin Pelayo reminds me of?
Rowie Sacote?
Hindi.
Sino?
Way far from that. Tingnan muna natin itong 3-pointer na to, Rowie.
Yes, our shot of the game hatid sa inyo ng Finn Cotton, the official sneaker partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Finn Cotton moves with you. The 3-point shot dito ni Emmanuel Falconete.
That's actually Ryan Delia. Same project si Falconete.
Ay, sorry. Oo nga pala. Si Ryan Delia yun. And Eto, may foul tayo dito for JV Payuan.
Yes, but actually, like I said, as Justin Pelayo, sakto-sakto na sa free throw line siya. He reminds me a lot of Justin Melton. Sakto, Justin pangalan, di ba? Justin Melton, di ba? Played for San Mig Coffee, played for Blackwater Bossing in the PBA. Small, 5'9" lang si Justin Melton, but he can get up.
Grabe.
Ang bilis na point guard, defensive player pa. Di ba yun nga yung former slam dunk champion pa nga yung Justin Melton, di ba? And so, with Pelayo's athletic ability, you guys have to, watch live and see yung round robin just to see how good itong Pelayo is when he jumps. But you have to also watch live to see how good JV Payuan is.
Air Payuan. For a small guy, nakita mo yung stride niya?
Oo.
Grabe. Hindi mahaba pero ang layo nung inaabot eh.
Oo, but good find. Galing kay Ubuyes.
But
Look at Pelayo!
Again by Ryan Dilla and Justin Pelayo grabbing rebounds left and right. This guy out hustling everyone just to get every single rebound that he can.
Okay, I know I've already given a player before this nickname, pero this takes the cake. Wala nang babawi dito. I'm giving it to Justin Pelayo. Ito na yung batang may spring sa paa. Literal eh. You see his frame? As we can see, our President and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, and Coach Leo Isaac, our COO dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Boss Ray ready sa camera.
Oo. Laging handa
Ready siya.
no? Alam na alam nila.
Ready siya.
Wala silang mga headphones or...
Kita mo yun, di ba? Nakatingin sila dito sa left side natin. And then, tinutukan ng camera, bigla na lumingon.
Di ba?
Galing eh.
There's a foul here. It's gonna be a foul on Carl Leyva, his first personal foul.
Oo.
As you can see here, ball pressure executed by Parañaque Pelicans. As Dumalagan will pull up, no good that time.
Nag-hesitate siya ng konti to attack eh. But we know CJ Dumalagan is a known shooter.
But Joshua Gorgiano with that follow-up, sinking that one in, and that's why they're trailing by 2 points na lang.
Yes.
Oh, Carl Leyva left wide open. Nothing but the net. Perfect from pure perfection from downtown. And another foul.
Before the inbound na naman, di ba? But do you see how good Ubuyes is? Yung feel niya sa laro. Dribble lang, right here. Pag-extend ng defender, immediate kick out, di ba? That's it. Yung feel niya. And at the same time, he is playing at a different speed. Minsan talaga you're just a second faster than everyone. And that's how Angelo Ubuyes is taking the game today. It feels like he's a second faster than everybody. Kita mo yun, no?
But back-to-back misses doon kay JV Payuan. And speaking
Oh,
of
wow!
kakabakit mo lang, Angelo Ubuyes with the dipsy-do layup.
Grabe yung layup na yun. Well guarded pa siya.
Oh my, that's not a tough, that's not an easy finish rather for Angelo Ubuyes. As we take a look at this replay right now, look at that drive. That is our drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kaya-kaya sa Photon.
Grabe naman yung layup na ito ng Ubuyes na yun. And like I said, feels like he's a second faster than everyone. And ganun din naman ang nadadala ng pro experience sa'yo eh. You just think quicker. You see everybody slow down. You see the game slow down. Ganun yun eh, di ba? Pag bumaba ka, as you said nga, pag bumaba ka sa mga ka-level mo, you have an advantage. And that's why a lot of coaches are opting na maglaro ng mga bata. Dito nga sa SINAG Liga Asya, born 2001 tayo, but there are a lot of 18-year-olds playing dito.
And imagine, some of them are really playing a terrific job dito sa game natin na to. One example, if I'm not mistaken, si Du William Trista is 18. Kakalaro niya lang last time.
Actually, kaka-19 pa lang daw niya a few weeks ago, di ba?
A few weeks ago. And doon ako nagtataka, hindi niya tayo in-invite sa birthday niya. Pero imagine mo, sa edad niya pa lang na yun, what more pa ang ma-improve niya when he's playing sa mga mas nakakatanda sa kanya.
Ito pa, another kid. Itong si CJ Dumalagan, di ba? Ang bata pa yan eh. From Tagum, Davao. Di ba? But also, mamaya makikita natin, dalawa. Harold Cabrido and Joseph Timtiman. 18 years old pa lang pareho yung dalawang batang yun, di ba? And they're playing well.
Phenomenal job for LDG San
Exactly,
Pedro.
di ba? So it just goes to show that there are coaches talaga experimenting. Kagaya niyan, the geniusness of Coach Cesar Babasa Jr., di ba? Nag-i-experiment sila. Nag-aangat sila ng player to a higher level. para din naman mag-improve yung bata. If you are already dominating yung level mo, pasubukan mo yung bata maglaro sa mas mataas na level. Mas gagaling pa yan pag nakasabay niya yung mga ka-level niya, diba?
Yes. And yun nga again, that's why the future is very bright in terms of basketball here in the Philippines.
Oo.
These are the future of Philippine basketball as a three-point shot there for Garrett Romilla.
Not just in the Philippines, but also in Asia.
Oo nga pala.
Kasi we're drawing inspiration from the Radiant Sun, di ba, Rowie?
Yes, ang ganda talaga ng sulat na yun.
Oh, wow!
Oh my
Wow!
goodness! With the buzzer beater layup,
Hirap
Joshua
nun.
Gurjano.
Grabe
Oh.
naman yung English dun sa tira na yun. Alam ko titira ni Payuan but look at that pass and the finish, Rowie.
That is our assist of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop. Air Payuan to Joshua Gurjano with the alley-oop reverse layup. Oh my goodness. Welcome to my TikTok reel, and that is the end of the first quarter. Our score 30-25, 5-point lead in favor of Parañaque Pelicans. So SLA fans, we'll be back after this.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya, born 2001 SINAG Capineto. Let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter, Sarah Trejman, for second quarter report. Sarah?
From Parañaque Pelicans, head coach Cesar, na stick sa system ang inimput nila at ma-maintain ang kalamangan at match-up para makita kung anong meron ng kalaban at sila magdadala ng tempo at hindi ang kalaban. Back to you, Rowie and Enzo.
Thank you very much, Sarah Trejman, for that second quarter report for head coach Cesar Babasa, and that's why they're up by kanina, 5 points bet now. J Project Boomers nakascore kagad, that's why 30-27, 3-point lead na lang for Parañaque Pelicans. That was
Look at Pelayo again.
grabe yung rebounding ability nito and hop. And hindi lang yun hindi porket mataas siya tumalon, nasa kanya na yung rebound.
Oh, look at that, may block pa.
Block pa dito kay JV Payuan, si Justin Pelayo. He is everywhere right now. Pero yun nga, Enzo, hindi porket mataas lang yung talon niya na kaya siya nakakakuha ng rebound. It's how he times his, rebounds.
Yun nga, grabe. Grabe itong Pelayo na to, di ba? Like, barely played. There are games na hindi pa nga siya naka-lineup. Pag naka-lineup siya, minsan lang siya naglalaro. But right now, ankle breaker.
And an alley-oop play. Oh my goodness. Justin Pelayo to Eli Dangkalan, and Justin Pelayo sends the defender down. Grabe ang performance dito ni Justin Pelayo, and grabe rin ang mga pagkain natin dito. Pero kidding aside, Angelo Obuyas with that left-handed layup.
Grabe naman, the gifts keep on giving dito.
Yes,
Of course.
grabe yung mga pagkain. Madami. Kaya tumataba tayo, Enzo, dahil dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Of course. Mamaya, pagnitin natin yan, patitingin natin. But again, Pelayo with another rebound dito. Ano, balak pa nito mag-20 rebounds?
Baka nga, more than 20 pa yung gawin nito sa
The record is 20.
by
Sakto,
Sunny
Sunny Steele.
And ito, rebound here for Christian Rios.
Of course, thank you.
And Rios almost went in, but he'll go to the line to shoot 2.
Yan, habang may lull tayo, let's thank yung aking kaibigan, the Pampanga Delta player, Jeffrey C, for giving us brownies dito. Jeff, thank you,
Pero look at that power play of the
Ankle
quarter.
breaker, diba?
That is an
Linis.
ankle breaker for Justin Pelayo. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge FiberX. Yan ang internet. And what a great alley-oop setup there to Ellie Dangkalan. Justin Pelayo is doing everything right now for Parañaqui Pelicans. Grabe tong batang to.
You know, this kid, Justin Pelayo, I did say Justin Melton, di ba? Pero kita mo kung maglaro, di ba? He's just trying to, hindi lang athletic ability ang ginagamit niya eh. Inuutakan din niya kasi yung mga kalaban niya eh.
And nakakatakot yung kung gano'n ang isang player. Athletic na, may shooting pa, may mataas pa yung basketball IQ. He's gonna be a threat everywhere.
Yes. Ang kailangan na lang talaga i-develop is the consistent three-point shot, di ba? Which is a weapon na kailangan ngayon. Para mandatory na nga na may 3-point shot siya. But look at this, 8 points, 5 rebounds na siya sa laro natin, di ba? Pero si Obuyes, triple-double hunt, 9 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Si Angelo.
Grabe, and then 7 minutes and 35 seconds pa ang natitira dito as we take a look the head coach of J Project Boomers.
Coach Mike Senabre.
Yes, Mike Senabre right now. Welcome of concern as they are trailing by 5 points, ha? Pero
Yes.
mahaba-haba pa naman ang oras.
Oo, may 2 quarters pa after this eh. And 7 minutes pa dito sa second quarter, di ba?
Angelo Buyas misses that time.
Kala ko makukuha na naman ni Pelayo yun eh.
Pag nakuha pa ni Pelayo yun, no?
Ewan ko na.
Makakagulat na.
Oo.
A miss. Oh, Giordano passes to Gianluca but misses that time. Another offensive rebound for J Project Boomers and an end one play or a travel
Traveling.
rather. I thought that was a foul, but our official says that that's a travel. As we take a look, head coach Mike Senabre of J Project Boomers.
Of course, itong Parañaqui Pelicans a great team na marunong mag-capitalize sa mga turnovers, but J Project with a steal of their own. But look at Obuyes with another steal.
Counter steal for Parañaqui Pelicans. Angelo Obuyes going to work. Another great alley-oop pass. Again to Eddie Dangkalan, but this time naman ang galing yun kay Angelo Obuyes.
5th assist na yan dito ni Angelo Obuyes. Again, a triple-double watch. Susunod ba siya sa listahan ng history dito? Of course, the first triple-double was by Jonel Policarpio.
And imagine you have Angelo Obuyes, you have Justin Pelayo. Pero J Project Boomers has CJ Dumalaga naman. Pero imagine mo Angelo Obuyes is great. He is a great slasher.
Yes.
Great penetrator and great distributor. Justin Pelayo naman is a great rebounder. And meron rin siyang passing. Ilang beses natin nakita kanina. So nakikita mo both of them are the ones who is helping Parañaqui Pelicans here in this ball game. That's why they're up by 4 points.
Yes. Actually, alam mo yung triple-double ni Poli was against Parañaqui, so maybe Jello taking expiration. Oh, look at that jelly layup.
Layup for Angelo Obuyes. Grabe tong batang to again because of his experience.
And in double figures na siya in terms of scoring, di ba?
Grabe tong batang to.
Pang klase.
And again, born 2001 tong mga batang to. Mga mas matatanda lang sa akin ng mga 1 year.
Ka-age lang pala tayo?
Oh, Kuya Enzo.
I doubt that. Di tayo magka-age. I know you're 1997.
Pero eto, look at that rebound and the pass to Angelo Obuyes. And look at that jelly layup, our move of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement. Kaito Cement made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito.
May graba ka na bukas sa tapat ng bahay mo.
Okay lang.
Graba lang, hindi semento. Graba lang.
Dalawa lang ang inihintay ko sa bahay.
Ano?
Siyempre, yung pin cotton, pati yung cotton. Yung
Okay lang
Thunder.
yan, Jimboy, nakapagmaneho ka naman na ng nung...
Yang ka na naman, Julian eh. Alam mo, yun, there's a foul for Angelo Obuyes. Kasi si Coach Leo nagsabi, di ba, na...
Hindi, gusto ko yung bago niya sinend sa akin.
Hindi
Di ba, gusto ko yung may sinend siyang bago kanina.
Ako rin?
Hindi.
Hindi iba.
Di ba? Huwag kang mag-alala.
Si ano yun, yung social media manager natin.
This kid, Jello Obuyes, when I saw him play, he represented his hometown of Laguna. Taga-Cabuyao, Laguna siya eh. And I remember when dumalaw ako, sa...
Bahay nila?
Hindi.
Akala
Sa
ko.
Laguna.
Akala ko sa-
And then, we flaunted that there's a 19-year-old kid there playing pro. Diba? 19-year-old playing pro. And yung mga bata doon, age nila, 17, 18 years old. Iba pa nga 19 eh, kaedad niya.
Pro levels?
Hindi, mga bata
yung
lang
kala-
na nag-camp. And then, nung sinabi namin na Angelo Bues, 19-year-old playing at the pro level, yung mga bata biglang naging inspired, kagaya ng...
Eto, let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman, for her report. Sarah?
From J Project, according to assistant coach Troy Sarona, 7 lang din pala ang kalaban. Kaya kung paano ang previous game ay ima-master na lang nila and push for their players to focus and win this game. Enzo, Rowie.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Turgeman
focus
doon
talaga eh.
sa chicken balls. Ay, sorry, sa report
Sa
na yun.
report.
Sorry. Kasi ang sarap pero kulang pa
Pay
eh.
attention,
Medyo
Rowie.
konti pa eh.
Ayun na nga, nagbigay na nga si Jeffrey, oh.
Oh, may brownies na. Grabe, no? Ayoko naman magparinig, pero kung may pizzang dumating,
Ay, sobra na yan.
sobra na yun.
Sobra na yun. Okay na yan. I mean,
yun yung...
di naman tayo nanghihingi. I mean, we're thankful na nagbibigay
Oo, biro lang
diba?
naman yun,
Oo,
syempre,
We
yung
know,
mga sinasabi.
we know, Rowie. Don't worry.
As Justin Pelayo misses that perimeter jumper, tapi ka ng bola, but ball goes to J Project Boomers dito kay JP Gonzalez. Oh, a pull-up three. At a miss again. Nice tinpag. Ganda ng tapikan dito ng J Project Boomers. Look at the dribbling moves there of JB Payuan and rattles in from down south for CJ Dumalagan.
You know they missed his services. You know na miss netong J Project Boomers yung services neto ni CJ Dumalagan. Kasi siniset up nila paulit-ulit. They know the skill level neto ni Dumalagan. But Pelayo, ibang klase talaga. Look at that finish off the glass.
Wala na siyang space to, to shoot that ball. I don't know how that got in. Grabe, Justin Pelayo, this is his day right now.
Oo, alam mo na, that's 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power,
Power of
and
will, no? 15%.
Oh, sige.
Ayoko na. Ikaw talaga, ibang klase ka, Lil Zo.
That's not my name.
And ito, Gianluca Espinosa with an easy bucket.
Walang bumangga sa kanya, pagbomba niya.
Lucky.
No one was close. Parang, sige, tira mo na.
And yun nga, because of that, you mentioned, look at the size differential in terms of, body size here for both teams. For J Project Boomers, they have a Gianluca Espinosa and they have a JP Gonzalez.
Oo.
However, dito naman for Parañaqui Pelicans, in terms of body size, isa lang yung malaking player nila eh.
Yes.
Ito lang na si Garrett Romillas. We take a look at this assist of the quarter. Atin sa inyo ng J Project Loading Shop, the official outfitter of SINAG Liga Asya.
And one thing I'm noticing dito sa parehong team na to, if the ball is not on the hands of Payuan for J Project and the ball is not in the hands of Angelo Obuyes for Parañaqui, magkaiba sila in terms of sets. Kasi itong si Obuyes at si Payuan, they're great floor generals. Kaya nila
Yes.
i-control yung offense. Gagaya niya, no? Look at that dish by Payuan, di ba? Pero pag nasa ibang mga players, minsan nagiging one-on-one eh. That's why I think the offense should be run by the 2 point guards. Kasi si Payuan, siniset up niya si Espinoso, siniset up niya yung shooter nilang si Dumalagan. Dito naman si Obuyes, binibigyan niya ng open looks yung mga shooters din niya. Di ba? These two, I would love to see a mano, chess match between these two players, Obuyes and Air Payuan, para makita natin yung talent nilang dalawa sa pagpa-facilitate. Kasi these two players are the future point guards of Philippine basketball.
Yes, mas lalo na ito si JV Payuan, JV Air Payuan. Kilalang kilala sa social media and
Well, mamaya, meron din tayong kilalang social media player na maglalaro
si
for the
Rowie
main event.
Ay, sorry, akala ko si...
You're not playing in the main event,
Okay,
man.
sorry. Akala ko kilala. Yung kilala lang, nag-react na ako agad dun eh.
Kilala sa...
Sa...
Oh, actually, magaling ka mag-review ng mga
Ayan na
sasakyan
siya, ayan
eh.
na siya. Ayan na naman po siya.
Kala mo ah.
And eto, sayang lang yung pasa na yun. But nakuha pa rin dito ni Ellie Dangkalan.
Oh, good move.
And almost went in for Ellie. But he'll go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. And I believe that, yes, it's going to be on JP Gonzalez. His 3rd personal foul already. And this is just...
7 lang.
Yes, 7 players lang ang meron dito for J Project Boomers. And, well, actually for Parañaqui Pelicans din.
It's a tie.
Yes, it's a tie. So, pero regardless, JP Gonzalez already has 3 personal fouls, So kailangan mag-ingat niya dito kasi again, kailangan siya dito in terms of, you know, guarding the paint and scoring inside. As you can see here, LA Arsin. Pinicturean tayo na, tas hindi niya... Oh!
Oh, wow! Grabe naman yung finish niya.
Grabe yung talo na yon ni Justin Pelayo.
Kala ko dadakdak niya eh.
Nilapag niya na lang, nahiya siya eh. Sabi niya, shy ako.
Shy ako.
Shy ako.
Kanina si Daryl Garcia, hindi shy eh.
Oh.
Violente. Oh, look at that. Falconete.
Eman Palconete with that shot.
Good defense by Espinoso. Sayang, foul lang.
Foul nga lang si Gianluca Espinoso. Oh, there's a warning dito for faking a foul. As you can see here, Justin Pelayo with the drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng photon. The official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Grabe yung salaksak niya, you know?
If Sarah Encouragement can hear me, I want to know anong kinakain nito ni Justin Pelayo for him to jump like that.
Feeling ko hindi siya nag-chicken
Spring
balls and
Sige.
brownies.
Kinakain mo rin naman yun eh.
Yun nga, kaya nga hindi tayo ganun kataas tumalong katulad ni Justin Pelayo. Iniwasan niya kaagad yun.
Ito na, officially, siya na yung batang may spring sa paa.
Grabe,
I'm
no?
transferring that nickname to him.
Ito,
Look at that, oh. Kita mo parang
taas tumalon eh. Pero yung finish nga lang nung shot na yun was
when
off.
he shoots, yung mga floaters na yun, feels like it's Kevin Santos na parang ilalagay na lang sa ring sa taas niya tumalon eh.
Yun nga, ayan. Ito, may timeout break sila. Head coach Mike Senabre. Our score, 43-42.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, SLA fans. And ito, yun nga, yung SINAG Lakas 40, yung bago nating tournament dito sa SLA, Enzo.
Yes, we will have two divisions doon, the open division and the executive division. And may contact po tayo on your screens. Pwede niyo pong i-contact yan if you are interested in joining. And then, or also you can email us at sinagasiasports@gmail.com.
Pati na rin, if you're interested, pwede nyo rin i-PM ang ating official Facebook page. And as you can see here, yung mga executives natin dito sa SINAG Liga Asya, ang ating chairman, Boss Rocky Chen, our president/CEO, Ray Alaw, and then syempre ang ating COO, Coach Leo Isaak is in the building. Nalito kasi ako, Coach Leo is in the building. Isaak.
May silip-silip pa doon eh. Si Choy Choy
Si
eh.
Choy Choy, ang napaka-cute na baby natin dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Actually, di na nga siya baby eh, no?
Big boy na yun.
Bilis ng panahon na yun. So, look at that.
Only known him for a month. Few
Hindi,
months ah.
Siyempre, ang bilis ng panahon kasi, di ba, imagine mo, ilang buwan ko na siya kilala. Ang bilis. Kasi September na eh. Imagine mo, bare months na.
Oo.
Nakita mo kanina, kumain ako sa labas, naririnig ko mga Christmas songs. Nakagad. Again, this
Sample?
is the Christmas capital
Sample?
of the Philippines.
Sample.
So, nakita ko rin yung mga lanterns last night and there's a
This is the
illegal
home of
pick.
the giant lanterns ha. Pampanga. Ang dami mga lanterns dito.
Yun nga eh, nagulat ako kanina, kagabi rather, when I went to Angeles. Grabe, nakita ko yung mga lanterns.
Nag-iingit pa po siya.
Dahil pumunta akong Angeles last night. Eh.
Oh, nasa na wallet mo?
And Pelayo with the ball. Passes it to Obuyes. Obuyes. Oh, and an illegal pick on the other end.
Clearly. Ay, akala ko nga rin eh, hindi pipituan ng mga referee natin. But no, they whistled it kasi when you give a screen you should just stand there. Huwag ka nang magbigay ng balikat pa.
And that was an illegal
You're gonna
pick.
call that regardless if you're moving your feet or not. Pag nagbigay ka ng balikat na ganun eh, they're going to whistle that. Pwede yun, nakatayo ka doon, tapos biglang dadaan na lang sa'yo ng mabilisan ng kakampi mo. Oo. Parang yun talagang hard pick, di ba?
And nice drive there by Angelo Obuyes. And yun nga, our referees are not gonna hesitate to blow their whistle if makakita sila ng mga ganong pick.
Oo.
So, yun nga eh. Kaya kasi magaling yung referee natin na yun. Yung pumito na yun.
Oo.
Si Jong Balayan. Grabe.
Oh!
Deep Sidu layup. Bumawi naman si Garrett Romilla.
And then, this is the third foul before the inbound by Parañaque in this ball game. Actually, in the first half alone. Pangatlo na nilang foul to na hindi pa in-inbound yung bola. But look at this.
Yes, Garrett Romilla with the move of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement made with Japanese technology built with Kaito.
So, Payuan will go to the free throw line. And kita mo, like I said, diba, no first game niya against Luwid 1 Kapampangan, first game jitters lang yun.
Yes.
Still adjusting to the physicality, still adjusting to how the calls are being whistled here. Kasi iba naman talaga eh. Factor din talaga yun eh, paano pumito. But after that, second game niya, kita mo 15 points and now he's playing well, di ba?
And air balls the shot for Garrett Romilla. Here comes Air Payuan. Air passes it. Dumalagan. Misses. Passes it to JV.
Good up fake.
Oh,
Good
great
block there.
defense for Parañaque Pelicans. And
Taking too much time.
Grabe yung depensa dito ng Parañaque Pelicans. J Project Boomers had too many
Uy, sayang.
opportunities to sink that one in. Pero yung last shot na yun ni Angelo Ubuyes was off, and that's why they are up by 4 points against J Project Boomers. As you can see here, our first half highlights dito between J Project Boomers and Parañaque Pelicans.
Grabe, what a performance from both of these squads. Dito, J Project Boomers, they're being run by their floor general, JD Air Payuan. Dito naman, sa Parañaque Pelicans, it's two guys, Angelo Ubuyes and ito si Justin Pelayo. Two guys versus one, kaya that's why lamang itong Parañaque Pelicans ang nagtutulungan dito. But we still have one more half to it. This is just a 4-point lead.
Yes, that's the end of the first half. Our score 47-43. 4-point lead in favor of Parañaque Pelicans against J Project Boomers. So SLA fans, we will have a halftime break. We'll be back after these messages.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asya at andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng Sinag Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya itong ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, may iwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng Sinag Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at Sinag Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at Sinag Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Allen Andromina, player ng Terfir Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng Sinag Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sino-showcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Ikabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, Sinag Liga 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh-fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautison. Abangan ang Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino. Abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa Sinag Liga Asya.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! And get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a Game Changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ako si Rodi Santos para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Game na!
Determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbaka. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asya at andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng Sinag Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, may iwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng Sinag Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at Sinag Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at Sinag Liga Asya.
Ako nga pala si Fernando, player ng Terfir Majid. Inaanyahan ko kayo na panoorin ng Sinag Liga Asya. For sure, marami kayong masasaksihan na mga kabataan na sino-showcase yung talent nila and for sure mag-enjoy kayo. Tara, load na kayo.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa Sinag Liga 40. Kikabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG LIGA 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautyson. Abangan ang Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa Sinag Liga 40. Laban ka?
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup. It's this game, our second game is a battle between Parañaqui Pelicans and J Project Boomers. And during the halftime, our score 47-43, 4-point lead in favor of Parañaqui Pelicans. Isang magandang hapon to all SLA fans. Nagbabalik kami, Rowy Sacode and Enzo Galarosa. So Enzo, what a great game that we have right now. Again, Parañaqui Pelicans, J Project Boomers, both teams have 7 players only. And this is still a tight ball game though. 4 lang ang lamang dito ng Parañaqui Pelicans coming into the second half. Ano sa tingin mo yung magiging key factor for J Project Boomers and Parañaqui Pelicans to win this game?
It's the other people, the other players. So far ngayon kasi it's been two-man show para sa magkabilang koponan eh. Dito sa Parañaqui, it's been the Pelayo and Buyas show. Dito naman sa J Project Boomers, it's the Dumalagan and Air Payuan show.
Yes.
So the others need to step up, guys, like Lucas Pinoso, you know, ito sila, Dakalan para sa Parañaqui, diba? The others need to help out those 2 players na gumagawa sa team nila. You know, I do understand from a standpoint na 7 lang talaga kayo. You have to deal with it na, but it doesn't give an excuse na hindi kayo mag-step up, diba? And they're trying. Parañaqui is actually trying. They have multiple players already scored and nakaambag na dito. Samantalang dito sa J Project Boomers, medyo, yun nga sinasabi ko eh, they're going isolation if the ball is not in the hands of JD Payuhan eh. So I think more ball movement could give J Project Boomers the advantage kasi may shooters sila eh. They have Dumalagan on the floor. So they can space the floor much better than Parañaqui. As we can see the field goal percentage dito, 42% for Parañaqui Pelicans compared to just 34 para dito sa J Project Boomers. Dito tayo nagkakatalo sa steals. 7 steals compared to just 2, and si Jello Obuis ang catalyst normally sa steals eh. Points in the paint, 30-24. Medyo dikit, 6 points ang lamang ng Parañaqui, but second chance points lamang ang J Project Boomers. 13-6 because andun yung Lucas Pinoso, who's actually technically the tallest player on the floor.
Yes, so as of now, dahil nga again,
Yes.
underman ng J Project Boomers and Parañaqui Pelicans. When you were talking about the steals dito for Parañaqui Pelicans, for J Project Boomers during the first half, they turned over the ball 10 times.
Yes.
Meanwhile naman, dito for Parañaqui Pelicans, only 4 turnovers ang nakomit nila. Pero sino nga ba ang nagbigay sinag, especially for Parañaqui Pelicans during the first half? Alam niyo ba? Si Angelo Obuyes.
On a triple-double watch na nga tayo sa kanya eh. Look at this, 13 points, 7 rebounds, 6
Wow.
assists, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists away from a triple-double. The second triple-double in SINAG Liga ASYA history. He has a chance to get it. There's still 20 minutes of basketball left, and actually hindi pa siya nilalabas dito ni Coach Cesar Babasa eh.
As we can see, the leading scorers for both teams, J Project Boomers, Dumalagan with 16, Spinoso with 7, Payuan with 6, Garjano with 4, for Parañaqui Pelicans naman, Obuyes and Pelayo with 13 points, and Dangkalan with 8, and Romilia with 5 points. Again, both teams are only playing with 7 players for today here in SINAG Liga ASYA. For J Project Boomers, they are the number 10th seed right now here in our tournament, 1-5. Meanwhile, Parañaqui Pelicans are already in the number 5 seed, 3-3. So both teams, this is their 7th game for our tournament, trying to improve their game. As kitang-kita ko si Angelo Obuyes, nasa harap natin ngayon.
Kumakaway-kaway
Kumakaway-kaway pa. Alam mo ba?
Pero yung referee natin, nakalimutan yung pito niya.
Nakalimutan yung pito rep ha. Si Bert Sisuga. Sisimula, ibibigay yung bola, wala pa yung pito.
Bibigay siya kay Obuyes, tapos nagulat si Obuyes, inagaw eh. Wala pa pala siyang pito.
Pero, ayun nga, as a first bucket for the second half dito for Justin Pelayo, natatawa talaga ako kay Bert Sisuga.
Kaya nga, nakalimutan isipin mo.
Binigay yung bola, wala
importante ang pito sa mga referee, di ba?
Sisigaw siya.
Foul! Pero, good start yan for Parañaqui Pelicans na si
Justin Pelayo.
With that jumper from the baseline. Same way he started the game, baseline jumper, but this time, napasok niya. But dito naman sa J Project Boomers, like I said, Dumalagan and Payuan lang talaga eh.
Oo, so far So, who will step up pa dito for J Project Boomers? As you can see here, another miss for Parañaqui Pelicans rather, and here comes Air Payuan. JV pulls up, a long distance too, but no good that time.
There's the 8th rebound, Obuyes, 2 more, and he has a double-double.
And Obuyes will drive.
Wow!
Oh my goodness! A second jelly layup for Angelo Obuyes here in this ball game.
Grabe talagang, the one thing I'm impressed is he's looking for contact. Hindi niya iniiwasan yung contact eh. And some players shy away from the contact, but siya. Ina-absorb niya lang eh.
Oo, parang wala lang sa kanya. Pero this time naman for Emmanuel Falconeta with that drive. So trailing by 6 points pa rin dito ang J Project Boomers. Look at that. Pelayo and Obuyes. Sila lang ang nagpasa dun sa possession na yon. What a great rebound for Joshua Garjano. Dumalagad, fakes.
Oh, good. Sayang, alam, good pass
Good
na eh.
steal
Oo.
by Justin. Justin, almost a almost a travel there.
Oo. Buti na ipasa niya agad eh. Emergency pass na yun.
Oo. Eto, Justin will take. And a miss there. Joshua with a rebound. Gives it to JV. JV, air, payuan, misses. Oh, tries to clean it up pa dun si Joshua Garjano.
Look at the big man running the break and setting up Obuyes.
And Obuyes with a long distance miss.
Medyo nag-slow down yung scoring dito.
Oh, what a block by Justin Pelayo. And Obuyes with the sidestep. Great defense there by Emmanuel Falconete.
Was asking for a foul, but the referee said it's all ball. But luckily for Parañaque, bola pa rin nila.
Yes, as you can see here, that drive by Angelo Obuyes. That's our drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng photo, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya.
Swabe.
Ito, another miss dito for Ryan, ha? And nice contest, nice block again. And since that one in for Christian Rios.
That's why you trailed the play. Talking about what Christian Rios did. Kahit si JD Payuan pa may hawak ng bola, don't expect na laging pasok yan eh. Kasi babantayan nila si JD up top kasi nga alam nila how athletic he is. So that's why Rios did a good job of trailing the play and getting the offensive rebound and putback.
And yun nga rin nabanggit mo last time, Enzo, as that's a good shot for Eli Dangkalan. Always anticipate that the ball will miss.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi if iisipin mo papas, hindi ka na po-position to box out and, try to get a rebound. Pero kung iisipin mo, laging sumasablay ang bola as a rebounder, not as a shooter, ha? Magkaiba yun. As a rebounder, as again, another drive this time for Emmanuel Falconete, magkakaroon ka ng slight momentum, a head start rather, to jump for the ball to get that rebound.
And at the same time, din naman kasi, hindi naman sure ball lahat eh. Diba?
Yes.
Nobody's perfect talaga. But dun sa possession na yun ng J Project, I like that give and go. Dump the ball at the post, then the passer, which is Falconete, si Falconete, kumat siya. Did a great job of moving without the basketball. And ito, look at that. He's open again.
And actually, he can shoot that 3 na eh.
Oo, medyo nag-hesitate siya eh.
Yes, dinrive niya pa na baggakas siya tuloy dito. Pero ito, let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman, for the third quarter report. Sarah?
From Parañaqui Pelicans na huwag mag-relax, sabi nga ni Coach Jonathan, dahil kailangan nilang makontrol ang lamang and kailangan maramdaman ito. Lalo na ang kanilang depensa dahil may ibubuga pa ang kanilang mga players at huwag nang pasakitin ang ulo ni Coach Jonathan, ni Coach Cesar. Just remember for their players that consistency sa loob ang pinaka-importante at huwag magpakampante in today's game. Rowie, Enzo.
Thank you very much, Sarah, for that chicken ball earlier. Ay, sorry, for that third quarter report.
Ay, nako.
Pero yun nga, again, tama naman yung sinasabi. Again, be consistent. Consistency is the key dito. When you're doing a really good job, if syempre hindi, you need to adjust. Baka naman sabihin, consistent akong turnover, so need to be consistent. Sunod-sunod na yung turnover.
Pero, consistency is the key on anything, di ba? In anything that you do. Right? Kahit naman din tayo dito sa panel, di ba? We consistently have to perform well sa trabaho natin, di ba? We don't just go to work, wear a suit. Di ba? Tayo, hindi nga tayo nakasuit, naka-J Project nga tayo. Diba?
Siyempre, J Project to eh.
And like I said nga, you don't just wear a suit and just show up and just say anything you want dito tayo. We have to stay consistent, especially with the information na bubugayin natin, what we say, di ba? It's the same thing in any type of work. And para dito sa mga players na to, their consistency in the basketball game is very, very important. Lalo-lalo na if you're performing dito nearing the playoffs na. If maglalaro kayo and pwestuhan na ang usapan, lalo-lalo na dito sa Parañaque, they're the 5th seed. They want to be in that top 4, di ba? Kasi nga twice to beat yan eh.
Yes, so let's see mas lalo na dito naman for J Project Boomers. Again, tama ka, Parañaque Pelicans are already sitting on the number 5 position.
Yes.
J Project Boomers are in
Good
number
pass.
10 as that's a
Good pass.
what a pass by JV Payuan. Over the head pass.
Oo.
Mala Rajon Rondo, no?
Totoo. And mga pasang ganun, mahirap gawin in transition.
Sakto pa yung pasa, hindi yung parang pagsalo lang is,
Steal of the inbound. Sayang.
that was a wild shot dito.
Kay Romilia.
For Garrett. And eto, Espinoso, that's his range. Rattles in for J Project Boomers again. That's a big guy that can shoot lights out from downtown.
Honestly, kanina pa niya hinaantay yun na malibre siya sa tres. He's been wanting to shoot pero pinapapwesto siya sa ilalim kasi nga siya yung lone big man.
Pero answering back with a three of his own, Garrett Romilia. So it's raining trees left and right. And grabe na ang intensity dito. What? Sayang, I thought that's gonna be an end one.
Sobrang intense na laro. Napapapiyok niyo na si Rowie.
Oo, grabe. Pero eto
Ikaw natawa.
look at that. Look at that over the head pass by JV Air Payuan, our assist of the quarter. Atin sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform.
Pag ba daw pumasok yung free throw, pwede na bigyan ng candy, sabi ni Jong.
Officials natin na si Jong Banayat. Ang napaka-poging referee natin na si
And
Jong
dahil last day
Banayad.
ngayon ng FIBA, di ba? Congratulations to
Yes.
Boss Dan Garcia and Jong Banayad for, working sa FIBA, di ba? For stepping up to the plate. Hindi lang nila dalang Sinag Liga Asya, they actually brought the entire Philippines with them. Nirepresent nila, hindi lang naman ang Gilas ang nagrepresent ng bansa, pati yung mga Pinoy na nagtrabaho sa FIBA, di ba? Yung mga nag-volunteer, yung mga napili, kagaya nila Jong, nila Sir Dan, di ba? And also yung kaibigan natin na si Miguel Pere, di ba? They all helped out.
And
They
si
all
Frank rin.
They all represented the country in a way, di ba? Hindi lang Gilas ang nag-represent ng bansa sa FIBA.
Yes, and this is, I think, the last time that the Philippines hosted the FIBA World Cup was 75 years ago.
Tagal na. Di ba tagal?
I watched an interview
Akala ko
sa
you watched it live. Sorry.
an interview. Ano inisip mo sasabihin ko?
You watched it live?
I watched an interview and I watched it live rin pala yung FIBA World Cup. Yung opening nasa Patreon ako.
Yung sinasabi ko yung 75 years ago.
Hindi.
Katawa-tawa ako.
Pero yung opening day kasi patron ako nun, bro.
What was your ticket?
Patron ako yung upuan ko nun . Pero, yun nga. Kidding aside, yun nga. A three-point shot.
He was looking for a foul pa.
Yeah, for CJ Dumalagan. Yun nga going back, napanood ko yung interview ng isa sa mga well-known sports writer ng, I believe, ESPN. I forgot his name Pero he mentioned
Alam mo, well-known.
a well-known sports writer. Sa ESPN.
Oo nga, pero hindi mo na alam pa.
Pero, yun nga, hindi ko alam yung name Pero, yun nga, I need to do some extra research about doon. He did mention, again, imagine mo, we have 3 stages here in the Philippines. Simultaneous yun. Simultaneous during the FIBA World Cup. We have the Philippine Arena during the opening day. May naglalaro sa MOA, may naglalaro sa Araneta.
Yes. And may naglaro pa sa Jakarta, Indonesia, and in Japan.
Yun nga, pero focus lang sa Philippines. Sinabi niya mismo na world-class ang facility natin here in the Philippines.
Tingnan mo pa lang tong BREN GUIAO, di ba? Bakit pa tayo balik ng balik dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, di ba?
Siyempre, dahil sobrang ganda.
Oo, and this is, we're growing as a basketball community, not just in terms of yung mga basketball players skill level natin, but as a community as a whole, di ba? The fact that we have this kind of league, SINAG Liga Asya, it just means we're expanding through the entire continent na hindi lang tayo basta privado sa Pilipinas lang, hindi lang Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. We're actually expanding our community. Now, may Asian fans na tayo, ine-extend natin sa mga Pilipino na nasa ibang bansa na yung mga laro natin, di ba?
And yun nga, Enzo, speaking of that, even our fans, mga SLA fans, that's a good shot by CJ Dumalagan.
He had to quick release that, by the way. Kasi Pelayo, si chase down block sana.
Kita mo yung kamay ni Pelayo doon? That was a verse.
Oh.
And yun nga even our fans dito, basketball fans here in the Philippines are well educated as that's an end one play for Christian Rios. mas nagiging educated na ang mga basketball fans natin here in the Philippines. As we take a look at this replay, first muna our move of the quarter. Atid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement, the official cement partner of SINAG Liga Asya, made with Japanese technology, built with Kaito.
Diba? Perfect na perfect, diba? Kaito Cement, a local brand pero made with Japanese technology.
Yes.
Perfect na perfect sa ating liga, diba? Thank you so much, Kaito Cement, for helping us out dito SINAG Liga Asya. Without them, without our sponsors, hindi tayo posibleng magkaroon ng ganito, diba? I don't know how possible that layup was para kay Jello Obuyes, but since it's Jello Obuyes, posibleng ma-shoot niya yun, diba?
Parang wala
That's how
nga
good
lang
he
sa
is.
kanya eh.
That's how good he is.
Sobrang base. Parang he made it look easy. Again, that shows mastery. If one thing, if you're watching someone and he made a difficult move and he made it look easy, it just shows na he practiced that many times. And that's not an easy move.
Yes, and sa dami ng mga liga sa Laguna, diba? For sure, na hindi lang pro liga ang kalaban niya, he's also playing against pro-level competition then even in Laguna. But the J Project Boomers, in a blink of an eye, lamang na. Kanina, lumamang pa sila by 6 points. Ngayon, they're still up by 6. It's because itong J Project Boomers, they're starting to rotate the basketball. Kaninang first half, I said, it's just Dumalagan and Payuan. Ngayon, sumali na yung Spinoso. Sumali na yung Palconete.
Nag-step up na.
Oo. And like I said, basketball is a 5-man sport, diba? 1 or 2 men can't do it alone. May nakikita tayo yung mga 40-plus performances ni Kyrie and LeBron in the finals. Kobe and Shaq did it too. Wiggins and Kat did it back then in Minnesota.
Curry and Thompson.
Curry and Thompson, mga ganun. But it's the other players din naman eh.
Kagiwa and...
Pwede din naman. Kagiwa at JJ, di ba? But it's also the 5 players. And that's why, at the end of the third quarter, lamang na ng 6 points etong J Project Boomers. Dumalagan and si Payuan did well. But this kid, Lucas Spinoso, was on fire in this third period.
Imagine, already double figures. 13 points, 10 rebounds, and 3 assists as the cherry on top. That's why they are now up by 6 points because of that guy right there, Gianluca Spinoso. And that is the end of the third quarter. Our score 68-62, 6.8 in favor of J Project Boomer. So SLA fans, we still have 1 more quarter remaining. We'll be back after this.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Welcome back, SLA fans. Syempre, this game is brought to you by Converge Fiber X. Doble na, dinoble pa. Experience better with Converge. Yan, ang internet. At syempre, J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of SINAG Liga Asya, makers of quality uniform. At syempre, ang favorite nating Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kaya-kaya sa Photon. Photon, baka naman, Thunder 4x2 lang.
Thank you sa pagmaneho sa amin ng 1 week na.
Ibang klase ka talaga. Pero look at that guy right there. Angelo Obuyes for Parañaque Pelicans are doing everything right now. However, because of Gianluca Spinoso of J Project Boomers' performance during the third quarter, they are now up by 6 points. Again, Gianluca coming into the fourth and final quarter already has 13 points, 10 rebounds.
Yes, pero si Obuyes nearing 1 rebound away from a double-double, 3 assists away from a triple-double, di ba?
Grabe.
We're going to watch that, but for sure, walang paki si Obuyes sa triple-double eh. He cares about winning. They're down by 6 bigla after being up to start the fourth and final, to start the third period kanina. So, quick turnaround dahil nga tumulong na bigla yung Spinoso eh, pati yung Palconete for J Project Boomers. Now it's up to the other teammates ni Obuyes, but look at that!
A steal by Angelo Obuyes.
Wow!
And soaring high to get that one in. The Obuyes-Pelayo connection
There's the 8th assist. Pero they left itong si Dumalagan open.
Lucky
Sayang.
miss for Parañaque Pelicans. That is CJ Dumalagan's shot, ha?
Oo, wide open eh.
Ito naman. Oh, but the miss.
Look at Pelayo with a tip. Sayang na, hindi pumasok eh.
Espinosa with the board. Here comes CJ. CJ is the one taking point right now instead of JB. Ayun na nga. JB has the ball. JB looking.
Watch out, an elevator play.
Oh, yes, that was an elevator play, but great adjustment dito kay, in terms of defense for Angelo Obuyas, but he left CJ Dumalagan wide open. Again, a lucky miss there for Parañaque Pelicans.
Ward off, clear
Easy.
ward off.
Offensive foul call that time. Good call by the officials for Exodo Escalante.
Escalante clearly with a push there para mabura yung defender niya. And Coach Cesar, kita mo nakaupo lang eh. He knows that that was a clear offensive foul.
Yes. And obviously, kitang-kita yung mag-extend ng arm niya.
Yes.
Gian. Oh, good defense by Exodo. Here comes JB. JB
That's
with a
his spot.
step back. J. Pure swish right there for JB Air Payuan.
Spot niya talaga yun eh. That's why he loves to go ISO on that area.
Oh, a turnover for Angelo Obuyas. And head coach
Coach Cesar.
Head coach Cesar Babasa was saying he wants to challenge that call. Pero before that, let's take a look at this move of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Kaito Cement made with Japanese technology. Built with Kaito. Early strength, quick dry cement. And yun na nga. Head coach Cesar Babasa used his coach's challenge. Kasi, alam mo kung bakit? Angelo Obuyas was saying na, hindi, possession dapat namin yon. Siya na mismo nag-call eh. Sinabi niya, challenge natin. And then, tinignan, hindi niya na nga tinignan si Head Coach Cesar Babasa. Head Coach Cesar Babasa just stood up from the bench and nilapitan, sinabi sa referees, I want to challenge that. Kasi sinabi ni Angelo Obuyas na, I will challenge that call.
Tiwala na lang yan sa mga players mo. But never, that's how good Coach Cesar Babasa is. He trusts his players. But let's look at this dito sa ating IRS as our officials are also looking at it live.
Let's see kung sino ba talaga yung last touch that time. Oh,
from that angle, hindi mo masasabi kung tumama pa sa right hand ni Obuyas eh. Or did it even hit CJ Dumalagan's hand?
Yes, so ito, our officials saying
challenge unsuccessful.
Oh, an unsuccessful challenge there for head coach Cesar Babasa. As you can see, Angelo Obuyas, and eto, napainom ng tubig si head coach Cesar Babasa kasi unsuccessful yung challenge.
Inuuhaw.
Nauuhaw lang.
Normal lang yan. Dangerous pass.
Oh, almost a turnover, pero
sayang!
If nakuha yun ni Justin Pelayo,
I was going to jump up again kagaya kanina sa first game.
Sure na sure ako, easy layup yun.
No. I doubt he's gonna lay that one up.
Alam naman natin, i-deduct niya yun. Or ipiperimeter niya.
Oh,
foul! Got hit on the head. Our officials are saying natamaan ni Justin Pelayo.
Nabatukan daw
yung ulo ni CJ Dumalagan, and that's a 3-point attempt.
Oo. Well, that's why it's so difficult to guard this kid, CJ Dumalagan. He's such a talented scorer. Yes, shooter siya, but he knows how to get some point on the board. Let's look at it right here.
Ayun, after that, good call by the officials.
Nabatukan nga. Sa tenga eh.
Inawakan niya yung shampoo SCD Skincare, man. Ay, sorry.
SCD Skincare.
Nakatingin kasi ako dun sa SCD Skincare. So, tumama sa noo.
Lagot ka kay Madam Grace.
Hindi, yung noo. So,
or baka naman nag-usap kayo ni Madam Grace Vargas of SCD na magkakaroon sila ng shampoo.
Maraming salamat kay Madam Vargas of SCD Skincare, syempre, for supporting SINAG Liga Asya.
Baka naman, di ba, nagsabi siya sa'yo na, Rowie, magkakaroon kami ng shampoo.
Hindi ko maalala eh, pero tingnan na lang natin. I need to double check on that one.
Good spin!
Double spin mo. Pwede ba natin tawagin yun? Double spin mo.
Parang Beyblade eh.
Ako yun na. Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! Justin Pelayo with the one-handed tip. Actually, konti na lang pwede niya nang idakdak eh.
Totoo. Unselfish. Right there by Payuan.
And Gianluca Espinosa, actually that was his shot. A good pass kay JV Payuan, pero sorry, miss nga lang.
Good
Escalante, extra pass to Garrett Romilla. And eto, napa-timeout si head coach Mike Tinabre of J Project Boomers as they are now up na lang by just 4 points.
Yes, and that's because Pelayo starting to come alive dito. Good recognition na may trailer pa siya doon for the power play of the quarter.
Hatid sa inyo ng Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge. Yan ang internet. At syempre, may time at break tayo dito. Our score 72-68.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, SLA fans. Again, this game is brought to you by SCD Skincare. Perfect care for your skin. The official skincare partner of SINAG Liga ASYA. And syempre, Video Gear, the official broadcast partner of SINAG Liga ASYA. Eto, Enzo, as we take a look at that, eto yung tip in ni...
Kita pa ulo niya.
Kita, tinignan niya yung camera eh. That is our grab of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Sunsport, the official basketball of SINAG Liga ASYA. Your high-quality sports gear.
Double-double na ito si Justin Pelayo in this game.
Neto, CJ, guarded by Angelo. Passes it to Rios. Oh,
good
nice
pass.
find. Extra pass to CJ. Again, he's a lights-out three-point specialist, but misses that time. Look at the defense of JV Payuan. Oh, Angelo Obuyes with the reverse. Oh, what a move for Angelo Obuyes. And eto, Gianluca Spinoso has the ball. Gian, that's a mismatch. Triple team. But no good that time. Great defense for Parañaque Pelicans, ha?
Doors open. Yun, masyado na mataas.
Masyado nang mataas yun.
And Jello knew it immediately. Sinasabi ni Coach Cesar Babasa that Jello should have taken it all the way. Dapat inatake pa niya. He should have dribbled more. Kasi nga, you know, open floor eh. That's where Obuyes lives, in transition, in the open floor. Magaling siya na open court player eh.
And eto, JV Payuan pulls up. Pure swish there, showing his mid-range arsenal here in the fourth quarter.
That elbow jumper, regardless if it's the left or right elbow, spot niya talaga yun, basta elbow eh.
Oh.
Grabe.
Oh, kita mo yun.
Wow. Is that Kevin Santos who's doing that? No, it's Justin Pelayo. And he's giving up, what, a foot? A foot of... 1 foot ata yung difference nila in terms of height, di ba?
Feeling ko, more than pa eh.
Oo, di ba? But when he jumps, bar none, this is no longer a question. He is the highest jumper in this league.
Obviously.
With his height, di ba? Yung vertical leap niya, he's the highest jumper. But this kid, Angelo Obuyes, grabe, what a performance. Nearing a triple-double already dito.
Yes, and 6 in the second free throw as they are now trailing by just 2 points na lang, ha? Mahaba-haba pa ang oras natin dito here in this fourth and final quarters. Passes it. Extra pass to Gian. Spinoso. And Levy with the board. Leiva. Passes to Obuyes. Obuyes will shoot a three. It's good! Nothing but the net. Pure perfection from downtown for Angelo Obuyes.
26 points now for Angelo Obuyes. Grabe, what a performance. No, correction, not 26. He's already up to 28.
Grabe.
28, 10, and 8.
And eto, Angelo Obuyes.
30-piece?
Oh,
nearly.
Sayang nga lang.
Tignan mo, muntik pa niya ma-steal.
And look at the hustle of Angelo Obuyes.
First to the floor, di ba? Pero ito, Rios.
Passes it to Gianluca. Dumalagan. A wide open miss.
Oh,
Actually,
Belay with the block.
Bothered pala by Leiva. Pero eto, ball goes the other way.
Good block right there again by Pelayo. Pangalawang block na niya of this half.
Oh, as you can see earlier, Christian Rios passes it to Leiva. Carl gives it to Angelo. Angelo taking his time. Uses that screen.
Uy, butikan na.
Almost went in, and that's a three-point attempt. And that's going to be a foul on JBR Payuan. As you can see, Angelo Obuyes. Oh, kala ko naman may...
A little bit shaken up lang, but ipapagpag na itong batang to, napakatibay na ito ni Obuyes.
Pinakita niya lang yung napakagandang shoes niya. Sabi niya, tignan niyo to. Nike, yung shoes ko. And as you can see there, So, I believe that's gonna be a 3-point, 3 free throws ang kukunin dito ni Angelo Obuyes. Let's see if we can sink those 3-point shots. Pero eto our officials are going to look at the review to see.
I think, yes. Yeah, check kung 3 free throws ba dapat.
And yun nga, our officials are saying na 3 free throws daw.
28 points, 10 rebounds, 8 assists. 2 assists away from history. Itong si Angelo Obuyes. And actually, 30-point triple-double is waiting if he can knock down at least 2 of these free throws. 29 points na siya. And he has scored the last 6 points of the game para dito sa Parañaque Pelicans. Grabe, in takeover mode, itong si Obuyes.
And 6 in the second.
30-point double-double na siya.
Feeling ko, Enzo, sure ako pag pumasok na 31 na siya. 31 na siya. Tama ba?
Bahala ka dyan. And I quote Lordy Casajeros, ewan ko ba dyan?
Ewan ko ba dyan? Sino ba sinabihan ni Lordy nun?
Ewan ko ba dun?
Ewan ko ba dun? kita siya kumakain.
Oo.
Pero, eto, Angelo
3-on-1
break. Angelo.
Oh, wow!
Grabe, no? Parang basic lang yung basketball dito kay Angelo Obuyes.
33 points na siya ngayong araw.
Grabe. And now, they are up by 6 points against J Project Boomers. As JV Payuan uses the board. The back is open on a Sunday evening. Sunday, bro.
Sabi ko sa'yo, itong Payuan, basta nasa elbow or top of the key. That's his spot on the mid-range.
And Angelo Obuyes left wide open, rattles out.
Oh, look at that hustle galing dito sa 2 Parañaque Pelican players. And Pelayo gets it.
And Pelayo with the pull-up. Short.
Pelayo ulit.
Oh, nice pass from Leyva. And great defense right there.
Nagalit si Rios. Akin na to, rebound na to.
And Rios loves it up. Pero naitapik ang bola ni Eli.
Grabe na. The game is starting to speed up. But the fast-paced game favors actually Parañaque more than J Project. Surprisingly, kahit mabilis ang pace na itong J Project, mas lamang itong Parañaque Pelicans in terms of the pacing. Mas marami silang fast break opportunities.
And look at that. All shots are being bothered left and right here for J Project Boomers. As CJ.
Yun nga lang, dumalaga, nalibre lang doon sa elbow.
And that's why 2 points na lang. Grabe. This is a tight ball game, ha? Are we gonna have an overtime?
Pahala dyan, if you called it. Oh, Pelayo! Look at that finish.
Grabe yung finish na yun. They met in the air, adjusting his shot.
21 points and 13 rebounds na for Justin Pelayo.
Oh,
career highs in both departments, ha?
And Rios.
14 rebounds.
Grabe yung
Tingnan natin
rebound.
over.
Oh!
Oh, wow!
Oh!
Sayang.
Air Payuan, ha? With the spin sa ere.
Napakitaan tayo, bakit Air Payuan ang tawag sa kanya.
Oh, Emmanuel.
Clear foul.
And that's gonna be a foul call on Carl Leyva. And ito, papasok si Gianluca Espinoso for Joshua Gordiano.
This is where the Boomers miss the services of John Javier. Yung energy gaya nila. Hindi sana, kaya niya siguro i-contain yung energy nito ni Pelayo eh.
And let's see Ito, 14 seconds on the shot clock. A miss nga lang. Pero
good tap.
tip. Good box out actually for Gianluca Espinoso. That's why he got an easy tap to sink that one in. Garrett gives it to Angelo. Angelo uses that screen. Kicks it to Pelayo. Great block by Christian Rios. And easy bucket for DJ Dumalagan.
27 points na for Dumalagan ngayon. He's also going to, close to a 30-point game din dito.
And ito, Garrett. Gives it to, Eli. Loses the ball. So ball goes to the other way. This is a tight ball game, ha? Dami pang pwede mangyari dito, Enzo.
Yes, and with the way the pace is going, and the momentum keeps on swinging one side to the other.
As you can see here, block of the game at the ng SCD Skincare. That perfect block by Christian Rios. Huling-huli, that was all leather.
Ano sila actually, kay Falconete una, tapos kay Rios yung pangalawa.
And ito, CJ.
Oh, good shot. Good follow-up right there.
Parang pinasa niya sa sarili niya, no?
Good job right there by CJ Dumalaga. 29 points na para sa kanya.
And now, up by 2 points na ang J Project Boomers. Pelayo, oh, another steal.
That's a crucial turnover for Parañaque entering this last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Yes, Christian Rios, good hustle.
Oh, again, nobody boxing out. A white shirt dito for Parañaque.
Ang dami tuloy naging possessions dito ng J Project Boomers. Oh, nice pass. And beating the shot clock here for Gianluca Espinoso.
Big hit. A loose ball.
Oh, Ellie with the right-handed layup.
Look at Pelayo, 15 rebounds na para sa kanya.
Oh, great defense pero nakuha pa ni Angelo Buyas yung bola.
Rebound din yun, di ba? Oh.
Or dumalagan rather.
Oo.
Oh, dumalagan yung
Foul.
na-foul. Angelo Buyas yung nabanggit ko kanina, yes. 14 seconds on the shot clock here, so third team foul na for J Project Boomers.
And Ubuya is trying to take it on his own to come back into this ball game.
Kicks it out. Garrett. Garrett with the layup. No good. Gian passes it.
3-on-1.
3-on-1.
Good defense.
Yes, Gianluca tried to tip it in, but Eman Falconete gets it. A miss after miss after miss for J Project Boomers.
And even Parañaque. Oh, again, Pelayo, 16 rebounds na siya.
And grabe yung tip-in na yun ni Justin Pelayo against a much more taller defender dun, ha? Or rebounder.
And they're just down by 2, but this is a crucial possession. Parañaque needs a stop. J Project Boomers needs a basket. Probably seal the game.
10 seconds on the shot clock here. Christian
Good
loses
steal.
the ball. And Pelayo with the Obuyes connection.
Tie game tayo.
And now we are tied here. Our score all 86 with 17 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. So grabe yung performance kayo ng both teams dito, Enzo. Ha?
Yes, and tie game tayo at 86. 17.6 seconds remaining. Bola ng J Project Boomers. Who wants it more? Is it Parañaque or will it be J Project?
So that is the question. Ano kaya mangyayari dito sa next few plays natin here? Kasi 17 seconds na lang ang natitira here in this ball game. As you can see there, the Parañaque Pelicans are talking it over for their last play. And yun nga, that guy right there, Angelo Obuyes, played tremendous basketball right now. Meanwhile, on the other end naman, Gianluca Espinoso, actually JV Payuan. And during this fourth and final quarter, yung mga last few minutes, Christian Rios was taking it over.
Yes, but para dito sa J Project Boomers, they just burned their penultimate timeout. They only have one more. Para sa Parañaque Pelicans, may dalawa pa silang timeout dito.
And now, back to the ball game tayo dito. With 17 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. The question is, ano kaya ang play dito ng J Project Boomers by head coach Mike Senabre?
But may shot clock pa dito. 3.6 second difference. Shot clock, game clock.
And look at that. Angelo Buis denying the ball kay JV Payuan. That's
dangerous pass.
Gian Espinoso, no good that
side.
Big
rebound.
Big block. Christian Rios, no good. We
overtime.
are going to overtime here in our second game. Yes,
this is your fault.
Saw it.
This is your fault.
Bakit? That was a good game. We have a good game right now here between J Project Boomers and the Parañaqui Pelicans. As you can see, their head coach Michael Senabre, they are not yet done here in this ball game as we are going to overtime here between these two teams right here, and they need to talk it over because again, both teams are trying to improve their record here. As you can see, that's the end of regulation, tied at 86. So we'll have a quick break for our overtime game. We'll be back after this.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Welcome back, SLA fans. This game is brought to you by Sunsport Philippines, the official basketball of SINAG Liga Asya, your high-quality sports gear. At syempre, ang paborito kong Fin Cotton, the official sneaker of SINAG Liga Asya. Fin Cotton moves with you. And syempre, Blue Sky Roller, Blue Sky Corporation, the official printing service provider of SINAG Liga Asya. So this is our overtime game between Parañaqui Pelicans and J Project Boomers. The question is, who will win this game as we are going to extend, or we'll have 5 more minutes of action here in this ball game. So ball for Parañaqui Pelicans. Here comes Garrett. Garrett. Oh, we have a technical issue right now. Yung oras natin. That's why meron our officials buzzard that time kasi yun nga hindi tumakbo yung oras. Pero eto, pinapatakbo na. As you can see there, isa sa pinaka-poging officials natin, Jong Banayat.
Wala na mabibigyan na ticket yan sa'yo.
Pogi pa rin siya kahit walang ticket. Yun naman eh. Kasi again, we are so proud na yun, isa sa referee natin is one of the representatives for our FIBA World Cup.
They're also shaving down the shot clock dito.
Oh yes, kasi pinigay na yung bola, hindi tumakbo yung oras eh. So eto, Garrett, okay.
Another whistle.
I don't know what's happening right now. But yan, our referee, John Bennett, is pointing at the Jumbotron here in BREN GUIAO Convention Center, pointing, I believe, on the shot clock. As it is, I don't know, bakit siya naka-0. However, doon naman sa ating time sa ring natin or sa board is, it says 14 seconds.
See, that's not, I don't think that's the shot clock. I think that's the quarter.
Oh, the quarter, yes.
Naka-O.
Oh, yan.
I think alam ko bakit naka-O kasi overtime.
Oh, tama. Pero,
zero talaga yan. Yun sinasabi na lang siguro nila na overtime yan, zero. Oo, di yan zero. Oh, yan.
Escalante!
Sayang. Pelayo nearly tapped that.
And eto JV has the ball. JV all the way! And na-foul pa doon si Justin Pelayo.
Sabi pa yun, what a game. 15 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists para sa kanya. And he can add on to the total pa ngayon.
6 rebounds for a guard.
Oh,
the smallest player on the court.
If you're impressed with that, yung Pelayo, 18 rebounds na.
Grabe.
Diba? 2 away from Sonny Esteel's record.
And meron pa tayo 4 minutes and 27
diba?
seconds remaining in our overtime game, Grabe. But yun nga lang, sumablay doon yung free throws ni JV Payuan.
That's fatigue na. Pagod na si Payuan. But,
wow! Oh, speaking of fatigue, parang hindi pa pagod to si Justin Pelayo. Grabe! The leaping ability and finishing ability of Justin Pelayo.
Grabe, habang nakaupo pa si Ubuyes dito siya yung nagtitake over.
And yun nga. Here comes Parañaqui Pelicans. Ryan has the ball.
Launchpad. Oh, good pass.
Pelayo. And that's a good pass to Eli Dangkalan. 4-point lead in favor of Parañaqui Pelicans. That's a wide open CJ. Dumalagad but misses. Rebound by Eli. So with the absence of Angelo Ubuyes, Parañaqui Pelicans are up by 4 points. It's Gianluca Spinoso.
Would have been big if he hit that.
And Air Payuan wide open from 3. Finds the bottom of the net from the parking lot.
Di pa tapos ang laro.
Oo.
Gumagawa pa yung Payuan.
And eto,
oh, good strip.
Good steal. Kinuha lang mismo. Dito ni Christian Reyes, parang inagawa ng candy, ano?
Lalo na kung Rocky Candy, no?
Syempre.
Good fake.
And grabe yung move na yun ni JV Payuan. Nakita mo yun? Eli Dangkalan, that's his 4th personal foul. One more foul, and he is out of this game. And I'm seeing Gianluca Spinosa. We take a look at this 3-point shot muna by JV Payuan. Yun nga, Gianluca Spinosa went back to the bench for a substitution and ina-assist siya dito ng coaching staff ng J Project Boomers. I think they're...
pulikat na yan.
May pulikat.
That's fatigue na, I mean...
And as you can see, head coach Cesar Babasa of Parañaqui Pelicans.
Spinosa has already logged in 32 minutes, di ba?
And yun nga, feeling ko, fatigue na nga kasi they're stretching the legs of Gianluca Spinosa. As you can see, yung bench ng J Project Boomers. Look at that drive. Angelo Bues, kakapasok niya lang ulit. Making an impact already. Sinking that left-handed layup.
Grabe. 37 points on his way to the first, might be the first 40-point performance dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. This is the highest already, 37 ni Ubuyes.
Grabe. Oh,
good tap by Dumalagan.
Good awareness there for CJ. That's why ball stays with J Project Boomers, but with 10 seconds on the shot clock. As you can see here, CJ. Nice pass. Good steal. And tumama yung bola.
Nasa stanchion.
Sa stanchion natin. So,
can they review that hindi pa nasa last 2 minutes eh?
Yes.
They're talking right here. They're talking about the referees.
So, yes, our officials says that ball stays with J Project Boomers. And then Coach Cesar Babasa is talking to our officials, Birdie Suga. Pero wala pa kang replay kasi
hindi pa tayo under last 2 minutes. And nagamit na yung coach's challenge niya.
Yes, earlier. But however, it was unsuccessful na. Ito, Air Payuan.
Look at that move!
Grabe yung move na yun. And ito, Angelo Ubuyes left wide open.
39.
Easy bucket, 39 points.
1 point away from the first 40-piece sa SINAG Liga Asya.
What a great performance by Angelo Ubuyes as we are now down to the last 2 minutes of the ballgame. CJ pulls up from 3.
19 rebounds naman ito si Pelayo.
Grabe, breaking records left and right here for Parañaqui Pelicans.
Grabe, what a performance.
They're trying to break the record right now. Actually, they're trying to win the game.
Pangalawa
lang yung record. As Ubuyes.
Is this the 40? No go.
CJ, football pass to Air Payuan and sinking that one in. JB
Gana pa ng foul.
Was asking for a foul. Nice. Nice fake. And nice drive, but rattles out nga lang yung bola. Ball went out of bounds, or a kickball violation. So ball stays with J Project Boomers as they still have a lot of time here kasi mas lang naman ang hinabol nila. As we take a look at this replay right here. Nice football pass to JV Air Payuan. That's our moment of the game. Hatid sa iyo ng XL Bond, the official tile adhesive partner of SINAG Liga Asya. And there's a foul call.
On Payuan. On Payuan's 3-pointer.
Yes. Eli Dangkalan fouls JV Air Payuan. And that is the last foul of Eli Dangkalan. Oh my goodness. And the music. Rinig natin. Gumraduate na.
Whoever thought of that?
Si Eli Dangkalan.
Is a genius. Yes. Hindi tayo lang ang at tayo lang nag-isang liga na gumagawa. Kapag may fouled out na player, pinapatugtog yun.
Yung graduation song, no? Grabe, ang talino talaga.
We're the only one who does that. Diba?
Grabe talaga yung Rowie sa Koten, talino na. No?
You weren't here nung pinatugtog
Okay,
yun.
so Air Payuan misses the second.
You weren't here.
Pressure is on here for JV. Let's see. Oh,
2 out of 3.
Yes, 2 out of 3 doon si JV Payuan. And now, this is a tied ball game again. Will we have another second overtime? Clearly a foul there.
Grabe. Kita
mo yung talon? Imagine mo, ilang minutes na naglalaro to si Justin
you know the impressive part about it? The guy that can probably jump as high as Pelayo, the same athletic ability, na-impressed din talking about si CJ Delfino. Nakita ko reaction ni CJ. He does the same thing.
Oo.
Nakita siguro ni Delfino sarili niya. Parang ako yun. Look like Delfino right there. Pero what a performance from him. 1 rebound away from the second 2020 game in SINAG Liga Asya history. The first one was by Sunny Estil, who we will see later on. Pero for a guard, 20 rebounds, di ba?
For a guard,
Oh, and I was even joking kanina. That's it! That's the 2020 game!
Grabe. That's the 20th rebound of Justin Pelayo. And a foul on Emmanuel Falconete. His 4th personal foul. So 1 more foul and out na dito si Emmanuel Falconete as Justin Pelayo will go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. Try to increase the lead to 4 points. And 55 seconds na lang ang natitira dito in our overtime game. First one is off. And grabe again, after this one, meron
Main event pa tayo.
Main event.
Mga Kabalin fans dyan, dayo na.
Oo, sa napakaganda
2 misses
game natin. However, the pressure, it's because of the pressure and syempre yung pagod na rin dito.
Oo,
yung itsura ni Justin Pelayo, parang di talaga Oh, wow! Oh, yun nga lang. And Justin Pelayo.
21 rebounds. Setting the record, di ba? If he made it, ewan ko na.
Grabe na yun.
They have to go down.
CJ, wide open for 3. No good. Passes it to Angelo.
Munti ka na yun,
Angelo with the Euro
40!
step.
That's 40 points now for Obuyes.
So 2 records right now, both for Angelo Obuyes in terms of scoring and rebounding naman for Justin Pelayo. As we take a look at this drive of the quarter, that Euro step by Angelo Obuyes. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kayang-kaya sa Photon. And now, they are up by 4 points against J Project.
Grabe, what a performance from Pelayo. And etong si Angelo Obuyes. Pelayo already with a 20-point, 20-rebound game. Tapos itong Pelayo, 41 points, 11 rebounds, and 8 assists pa. Grabe.
Yes, as kita natin, we are still live here in the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. So after this, we still have 1 more game. It's gonna be LDG San Pedro versus the defending home team, the Pampanga Delta. I'm really looking forward to that game kasi Pampanga Delta is now 9-0 and that will be their last game. So let's see if they will end this game. And yun na nga, nagre-ready na ang LDG San Pedro as they will be matching up against the undefeated Pampanga Delta. As you can see there on your screens, the Pampanga Delta. And magkakatabi lang yung mga players ng Delta and LDG. So it just shows na again, magkalaban tayo sa floor, sa court. However, outside of the court, magkakaibigan yung mga yan.
Yes, but Pelayo set the record na for most rebounds.
Oh!
Big call.
Big foul for Ryan Dilia on CJ Dumalagan. And that's a 3-point attempt. And at the same time, CJ Dumalagan is one of the shooters of J Project Boomers. However, this one is different kasi this is crucial free throws na for CJ Dumalagan. Let's see.
Tatlo pa to.
Oh.
2 out of 3 siya kanina.
Oh, a miss for CJ. The pressure is on as we can see. Head coach Cesar Babasa.
Box out daw.
Neto, let's see if he can go. We still have 2 more free throws after this one, so he can still tie the ball game.
Oh,
but rattles
big
out.
miss.
Huge
Big
miss. The pressure is on. As you can see, head coach Mike Senabre instructing right now na didepensa pa tayo after this one.
Needs to make this one and they get a stop and even pray for a 3-pointer, diba? An open look at the 3. There you go.
1 for 3 there, and head coach Cesar Babasa of Parañaque Pelicans calls a timeout as they are going to plan their next play here. And ito, no timeouts na for both teams, ha? So this is the last timeout of the ball game with 17 seconds remaining here in our overtime game.
What a game dito, ha? And I also want to give credit dito kay Escalante, ha? 2 points, 2 assists, 13 rebounds.
Wow.
Grabe. 3 players actually para dito sa Parañaque Pelicans have double-digit rebounds. Of course, Pelayo with the record-setting 22 rebounds.
For a guard.
Oo. And actually, pangkalahatan na yun eh.
Oo nga, yun nga eh.
Oo.
Guard nga siya eh.
And Ubuyes, 11 rebounds din. Tapos itong si Escalante, 13 rebounds pa. Diba? What a way to crash the board if you're Coach Cesar Babasa. Your team just crashed the board so well ngayon.
And ayun na nga, meron na naman tayong screen time. Maraming salamat.
Please do not show anything.
At Rowy Boat!
Do not
At
show anything
Rowy
at the
Boat,
screen.
maraming
Do not show
salamat.
anything at the screen.
Eto pala
Thank
si
God.
Direct
The Latvian.
Hindi napakita, sayang.
The Latvian.
Maraming salamat. Shoutout kay Kuya Saldi. Ayun. Balita ko, nanonood daw yung misis ni Kuya Saldi. So, shoutout.
Aba.
Yun,
Pero si John yun, iba siguro pinakita mo.
Oo nga, kung si Kuya John yun. Nasaan si Kuya John? Di ko tuloy nakita.
Nasa Obi-Wan.
Nasa Obi-Wan. Eto na. Let's see kung anong play dito ng Parañaque Pelicans.
Oh,
quick foul, ha? So, smart foul kagad. Para at least, di ba? Hindi man lang naitira doon ni Ryan Villa yung bola. 1 second lang nawala doon sa oras natin. So, let's see.
It's up to Delia right now to shoot the 2 free throws dito. There's a lot of free throw misses dito and okay, that's my fault.
Pinati mo yan.
Sabi ko as I say free throw misses, di ba?
Pero ayun, as you can see, head coach Cesar Babasa on your screens earlier. Let's see, if Ryan misses,
big hit.
Ayan na. Now this is a 2-possession ball game.
They can either opt for a quick 2 or a 3.
Yes, either way, they're gonna still defend CJ.
Oh, natapik ni Pelayo to a wrong man.
Balconete.
Oh!
From downtown. We still have 5 seconds. They need a quick foul.
Oh, here's steal.
And that'll
do it.
Our time.
Another steal.
And that is the end of the ball game.
Crucial
Congratulations to Parañaque Pelicans for winning the game. Our final score 101-98 in overtime. So Parañaque Pelicans, that is their 4th win here in our Born 2001 SINAG Cup. As you can see, the 2 head coaches of J Project Boomers and Parañaque Pelicans, head coach Mike Senabre and Cesar Babasa. Again, all love, peace, love and having fun is all about here in SINAG Liga Asya. And congratulations again to Parañaque Pelicans. Our final score 98-101. A 3-point victory for Parañaque Pelicans.
Yes, what a victory para sa kanila. Give credit to Justin Pelayo. 27 points, 22 rebounds, 7 assists dito. But ito, Rowy, this guy is the man of the hour.
Let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman, for our SINAG Best Player of the Game. Sarah?
And we're here with our SINAG Best Player of the Game, powered by J Project. From Parañaque Pelicans, Angelo Ubuyes, 41 points, 10 rebounds, 8 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations, Angelo. Angelo, despite na kulang kayo ng players, ano yung nag-push sa'yo and your team to win this game?
So yun nga, kulang-kulang kami. Ginawa lang namin yung mga troll namin, yung pinapagawa ni Coach. And yun lang, naging mas matatag rin kami sa depensa kasi ng first half. Medyo matamlay kami, kaya bumawi kami na itong second half. Kaya yun, nanalo kami.
Ano yung mga naging adjustments nyo in today's game?
Ayun nga po, nag-adjust kami unang-una sa depensa namin kasi Nung una, medyo kumpiyansa kami kasi medyo mas lamang nga kami sa kanila. And yun, nung second half naman, nung napagalitan na kami, medyo lumabas na yung gigil namin sa laro.
Angelo, baka may gusto kang batiin at pasalamatan?
Ayun, syempre unang-una, pinapasalamatan ko po pala yung Parañaque. And syempre sa nanay-tatay ko, si Maribel. And sa girlfriend ko, syempre sa Erinidong, kay Josh, kay Sirin, kay Mangkasalip, kay Boss Sansar. Wait lang. Kay Boss Sansar, kay Boss, sa mga coaches ko dyan sa school, kay Coach RJ, kay Coach Egay, kay Coach Cesar. And sa mga taga-CAA, pampinsa ko dyan sa mga Batangas, Capiz, and Samar. And last na po, shoutout po pala kay Kuya Mac, Montinilla, at saka sa Isla Cape. Salamat po sa lahat na sumuporta sa Parañaque Pelicans. Sana patuloy pa rin kayo manood sa amin. Yan lang po.
Congratulations once again, Angelo Obuyes from Parañaque Pelicans. Back to you, Rowie and Enzo.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Again, that's Angelo Obuyes, our SINAG best player of the game. And that's our final score, 101-98, a 3-point victory for Parañaque Pelicans. Once again, this is Rowie Sacote. And yun nga, kasi coming up is gonna be LDG San Pedro kontra Pampanga Delta. So abangan nyo yan, SLA fans. So once again, this is Rowie Sacote. Together with me is Enzo Galarosa and Sarah Turchman. And on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, this is the SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. So we'll see you, SLA fans, in our main event. Peace!